Still switching between different machines for lining, shading, and detail. This Dragonhawk Mast L3 is 3 machines in 1. Strokes fully decoded, let's dive in. The outer box is crafted from high-grammage cardstock in matte black. This minimalist design perfectly aligns with the L3's. Opening the magnetic lid, you'll met user manual and high-density, anti-shock bone, custom-molded for the L3. The machine sits securely in its slot. Picking up the machine, you'll be stunned by its aerospace-grade aluminum with a frosted finish. Second battery. And the RCA adapter. If you prefer working with a cable, that's also possible. You're not limited to working on battery power only. Adapter cable. The included 20-piece needle kit. A demonstration video showing the actual use of the needles will be shown later. And a little fake skin you can actually tattoo on. Ink cup. And 2 charging cables. Couple bottles of these dinky little inks. The most impressive thing about the L3 is its weight. The slim pen design feels just like a paintbrush, fitting perfectly in any hand. The L3 supports a wide voltage range. You can use 4 volts or even up to 12 volts for work. The battery interface is displayed at the top. The operation is very intuitive. The button feedback is also very solid. Most important strong positive is the adjustable stroke, which goes from 2.4 mm to 4.2 mm. The depth of the needle can be adjusted by a simple rotation. Now we will show the highlights of this film. First, the 4.2 mm long stroke, a dream choice for lining enthusiasts. It delivers a powerful hit, making solid color packing effortless. The 3.3 mm medium stroke is the perfect balance of power and precision. Whether it's color shading or gray wash, the performance is incredibly smooth. The 2.4 mm short stroke is the soul of fine line work and portraits. It runs gently and steadily, minimizing skin trauma to the max. Now you know the difference. Ready to upgrade your gear? Now is the perfect time. Use my exclusive code for 10% off site-wide. Click the link below to shop now.